Not so fun fact, apparently 70.3% of you are not subscribed and you're watching the videos. What the f I ever do all here? If you enjoy the videos, if you enjoy this one, if you enjoy all the videos on the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Mash it up. Fun fact, apparently 24.7% of you are females. Ladies. What? So we are about to try the The Coke and Mentos challenge. I don't support this idea. This is all you, bro. So you leave your fan for somebody to thief.
Well, it's better to thief the van and, you know.
Than the Coke bottle? What is really be doing with my life also? Why would these men?
Let me drop it and you tighten it.
No, I don't want to get messed up.
I don't want to get messed up. Give me this.
I just know this gonna fail so hard. I just waiting for it.
Just watch our video on how to do it.
No. Do him so.
3, 2. Just wait. You make me drop one, you bitch.
My boy insult! My boy insult! I just fling the bottle! I wasn't ready, watch, it was going so good! And he got frightened, he's just like,
drop it in here, and when I drop in the first one, he tightened it! What?
So take 2, the first one didn't work, the first one failed horrendously. So he just buy 2 more. Take 2.
Buy 2 more for take 2.
That's why I just say, watch him out.
First of all, he need to not insult halfway through.
My boy throw one Mentos, I'm close it!
But I feel the person who dump in Mentos should cover it one time.
Nah, he hasn't dumped it and you'll cover out immediately. I don't know who had to do what, I just want to see the 2 of them get wet. I know they see me in the thumbnail doing the Coke and Mentos experiment, but I was just clickbait because I'm not going nowhere close to that, that's them problem.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
So this is you. Drop, tighten, fling,
not
run.
Directly about 2, 1.
Throw it up! How much times you want to fail again for the day? You good there? 3 is enough? I feel like this is gonna be a horrible idea, but it just hit, man. I think we're gonna do it. Let me do a super personal Q&A. No holds barred, no limits. Ask me anything you want. It can get as personal as it want. We just have one condition. You need to ask the question on Twitter. Yes, this is a cheap way for me to get Twitter followers. Go follow me on Twitter at Devon. Go to my latest tweet. You'll see I ask for the personal questions. Ask them there. Don't forget, no holds barred. Get as personal as you want. How you make this hurt. Alright, we by Mr. Drii. We're about to do a collab with.
It's your boy Vern Vlogs.
Yeah, you say it faster this time. This man here, excuse. Explain the challenge.
Yeah, we're playing rock, paper, scissors. Loser to dip the face into this pillow. Wow.
Careful.
Glitter, egg, flour, anything we have on the table.
Ketchup. Right, but explain the game.
Rock, paper, scissors.
No, but where's the format of it? All he wants is rock, paper, scissors. So you're playing rock, paper, scissors and then we done?
And you dip in your face in the pillow?
Right, if you win, if you lose, what? Alright, start over, explain the game.
Why are you stressing me out? Why are you stressing me out?
Why? Group project.
You have one job, host. I'll stand up. I want my viewers to be able to understand what we're about to do, so they can finally go to your channel and say, alright, we want to see that. Then we want to watch it.
Like, it's about time. Rock, paper, scissors, loser to dip the face into this pillow with all of these stuff on it. And yeah, we just
have one of these stuff at a time.
I don't understand the game.
You don't understand the game?
No, like,
I don't understand why I can't fun. Why are you dying? Why?
Because for the longest while, we tried to get you to triple. I didn't even care what the game is about. Never again, host. Never again a collab with Adrian. I despise him after this video. If you want to see the video, it's on Adrian's channel right now.
He had your fit.
Go check him out at Adrian S3 Extreme Rock Paper Scissors Challenge. I didn't even know that could I get extreme, but it was not pleasant for me. Woo! Have something super cool to open. It's very small, but it's very exciting. This is the product. This little tiny box is going to make my life extremely exciting. What this basically does is plug into the vehicle and allow me to unlock things in the vehicle and add certain features that was not there. And there's one specific feature I have in mind to test as soon as I get this hooked up. So let me do that now. Okay, so with the car off, this is the current startup. Ready? You think that kind of boring or is just me? Okay, this is the magic here. Needle sweep. Alright, so it's currently set to off. We're going to switch that to on. And then we're going to tap and hold. Working. That's it. Success. Now let me try this. Yes! Yes!